This is your classwork for lesson 142. Number 1, write the numbers and the sums. VII, 5, 6, 7. I, 1, 2, 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. XX, 10, 20. V, 5. When you're adding, make sure that you don't put the 5 underneath the 2 because that would put the 5 in the tens place. Put the 5 in the ones place. 20 plus 5 equals 25. LXX, 50, 60, 70. XVI, 10, 15, 16. Find the sum. 86. Write the numbers your teacher says. 5 and 1/4. 5 and 1/4. You should have written 5 and 1/4. Letter B. $904.07. $904.07. Make sure you have your dollar sign and your decimal point. Once again, that was $904.07. Letter C, 52,030. 52,030. 52,030. Why do we have a 0 here? Because there are no hundreds in 52,030. But you still have to have a number in the hundreds place, even if there are no hundreds. Letter D, 5,006. 5,006. 5,006. Round the numbers your teacher says to the nearest 10. 58. Round 58 to the nearest 10. Remember, 58 is between 50 and 60. Remember, the middle of 50 and 60 is 55. 58 is above 55. So it would have rounded to 60. Letter B, 17. Round 17 to the nearest 10. Did you choose 10 or 20? 20. 17 rounds to 20. Letter C, 22. Round 22 to the nearest 10. Did you round it to 20 or 30? You should have rounded it to 20 because between 20 and 30, 25 is the halfway point, and 22 is closer or is lower than 25, so it rounds down to 20. Letter D, 55. 55. Did you round 55 to 50 or to 60? What is the halfway point between 50 and 60? 55. 55 is right there in the middle. Does it round up or down? It rounds up to 60. Anything at the halfway point or higher rounds up to the next 10. Letter E, 34. 34. Write your answer. Did you round 34 to 30 or to 40? 30. Number 4. A, 4 times 5 equals. 4 times 5 equals. Letter B, 10 divided by 2 equals. 10 divided by 2 equals. Letter C, 30 divided by 5 equals. 30 divided by 5 equals. Letter D, 6 plus 8 equals. 6 plus 8 equals. Letter E, 4 plus 3 plus 5 equals. 4 plus 3 plus 5 equals. Letter F, 9 minus 6 plus 4 equals. 9 minus 6 plus 4 equals. Number 5. Write the answer to the listening skill question. Show your work by the camper. Grandma and Grandpa's camper is 12 feet long. The camper parked next to theirs at the campground is 8 feet long. How many feet longer is Grandma and Grandpa's camper than the one next to it? How many feet longer? We don't want to know the total amount of feet. We want to know how much longer one is than the other. Do we add or subtract? We subtract. So let's listen again so that you know which problem to write. You're going to write the problem in your workspace. In your workspace right here. Grandma and Grandpa's camper is 12 feet long. The camper parked next to theirs at the campground is 8 feet long. How many feet longer is Grandma and Grandpa's camper than the one next to it? How much longer means subtract. Go ahead and write out your problem. Write the answer here and write the answer here. And number 6, do these by yourself.